incredibly excited. You might notice a slight change of scenery around us. We're no longer in Australia.
We don't live in a van anymore.
No, we're now on a boat, I guess. So we're in the Philippines now, and we have booked a private tour. We're in Coron, and this tour's going to take us to some incredible places that we've hand selected and got a couple of suggestions from the guide for as well. It's a tour that was recommended to us, and we're super excited to get going.
Yeah, we can't wait. We'll take you with us all day today and show you all the most amazing spots around Coron.
I'm Gilbert. I'm tour guide here in Coron. There's a spot, Barracuda Lake, spot for free diving and scuba diving here. The water is a warm water. You can go to the 50 meters, 10 or 15 meters. The water is for 38 to 45 degrees. Warm water. But only for like a licensed tour guide, a licensed free diving and licensed scuba diving only.
Nice. You ready for Twin Lagoon?
Let's go!
Let's go! We are at our second location of the day, and you might recognize it. We're at Twin Lagoon. It is...
It's stunning.
insane.
This water is beautiful. It's so deep
blue.
I can see to the bottom.
Yeah. It is pretty deep, actually.
I'm doing the usual bit of getting us around.
Matt's doing his bit, he's pulling his weight over here. Matt is chief paddler, and yeah, we're gonna have a little paddle around. It's just, I don't want to leave, it's so beautiful.
It is insane.
But wait until you see it from the sky. That was full on.
Oh, show that.
Expectation versus reality at its finest. Oh, it's so busy now.
A little pineapple in paradise.
We're back in the kayak, and I'm back to living the life of a lady of leisure.
Jeez.
That is a big tongue twister. We are at CYC Beach and we're just waiting for some of the boats to head off to a different beach for lunch so we can have the beach to ourselves. But we've come for a little kayak around the little beach island and it's so beautiful. We're the only ones out here. Where are you going? Oh my god, you're doing backflip?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Go. How was that? That concludes our incredible day out with Amazing Dream Tours. We've had such a good day with Gilbert and the team.
That was awesome.
Good.
Yeah, that was the best day. We've explored all around Palawan, all around Coron, and
all the places that we wanted to see.
Yeah, this rivals some of the best places we've been.
Yeah.
The water, the scenic views,
It's everything's just
outstanding.
unbelievable.
We booked a private tour with these guys and it's the best way to do it. It's a custom fitted experience.
You get to choose where you want to go.
Yeah, literally tailor made for you. All you do is pick the places and they decide the best time to go so that you've got the best chance of having as few people there as possible.
Yeah, which is perfect.
It doesn't work every time, but it at least worked enough of the time that we had some amazing experiences there with very few or little to no people at times. So yeah, we just had the best day.
We're going to end this vlog with the phrase that we've been saying all day. What a day. Just what a day. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button.
Next week we're leaving Coron and heading to El Nido on a 3-day expedition. Join us as we go island hopping on the most beautiful and remote islands, sleep in bamboo huts and visit secluded beaches.
See you next week.